Good Friday evening, Southeast Texas. The weekend, for the most part, looks pretty good across Southeast Texas. Labor Day, we're going to just go with a 20 to 30% coverage here in the Triangle. Nothing really significant expected up in the Lakes area, and 20% coverage coming up Sunday. Monday, though, is a different animal because of an upper level disturbance and moisture. I'll show you that right now. High pressure over northern Arkansas, or northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, will be building into our area on Saturday. It's weak. Then that builds out of the area and weakens. Then we have this disturbance coming on in by, say, Monday night into Tuesday. So this is going to bring us a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms. Also watching in the Gulf of Mexico for the potential for a tropical system to develop. But with this moving on in, I don't think that's going to be an issue for us if this is correct. Otherwise, lots of moisture, as you can see, right over Southeast Texas. So that means a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms coming in on Labor Day late and through the day on Tuesday. Otherwise, in the tropics, we are watching Invest 91. Ale has a 30% shot of developing in the western Gulf of Mexico. Very early, uncertainty is high at this point. But as you can see, modeling does take it on into the western Gulf of Mexico. After that, it is just very early. With the northerly winds coming on down into our area, as this high goes by our area, as you can see, we get a northerly flow. So that would try to steer anything off towards our east. That's my thinking right now. But if we don't get those northerly winds, it's a different story. But that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Also think this is going to be a weak system if it develops at all. Again, a low chance right now, but we'll be watching this through the weekend. Otherwise, we continue to track a very powerful Category 2 Hurricane Larry in the far eastern Atlantic. Boy, this is about as textbook a look as you'll ever see as far as satellite. Just incredible outflow. You can see how the cirrus clouds, it looks like a buzzsaw, basically. You can see how the cirrus clouds are feathery on the edges. That's telling us high pressure is over the storm and it will continue to strengthen. It's moving west-northwest at 16 miles an hour. High degree of confidence that this is not coming into the Gulf of Mexico, instead turning towards the north and then off towards the north and northeast, guided by high pressure. So this is going to be a Cat 4, it looks like, as we head on into Sunday. That may start to weaken because of increasing shear by Wednesday. But again, as you can see, not an issue for us. Otherwise, for tonight, we're looking at a very slim chance of showers, maybe a 10, possibly 20% coverage. Temperatures will drop into the low to mid 70s. Tomorrow, I'm going to go with 30% coverage in the Triangle. May not get that, and little, if anything, up in the Lakes area. Despite what you see there, I think it could be very small chance, maybe a 10% coverage in the Lakes area. So slightly choppy seas on the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, around 1 to 2 feet. We'll see northwest and south winds at 5 knots. Our forecast tonight, slim chance of showers becoming mostly clear, lows low to mid 70s tomorrow. Best chance of rain will be in the Triangle, highs mid 90s with south winds developing. So after Saturday, Sunday, slim chances. Drier air filters on in the mid levels of the atmosphere. That may really stammer or stomp out rain chances, but not entirely. Then with that disturbance coming on in, looks like a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms, unfortunately, for Labor Day. Tuesday could be more than that 50% coverage. Both models show strong upper level disturbance, a trough of low pressure pushing on through, and that means a weak cold front pushes through Southeast Texas on Thursday. Much drier air builds on into our area next Friday. Humidities are going to go down. Cooler nighttime lows are expected, and lots of sun next weekend could be a real keeper. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com. Stay safe, have a fantastic Labor Day weekend.